Is your Roborock S6 MaxV robot vacuum not working? Even though the battery is full, you check the Lidar and it isn't spinning, so what should you do?
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, don't worry. We'll find the best solution for you. See how we help our customers who face similar issues. Oh no! Our customer's Roborock S6 MaxV refuses to work despite its full battery. After a detailed investigation, we found that the Lidar motor is faulty. But wait, there's more? Our team delved deeper and found dirt and dust clogging the robot's potential. Luckily, this fan suction has little dust. But this site has a lot more dirt and dust. In order to restore the glory, we suggest a Lidar motor replacement and deep cleaning service. In agreement with the customer, we begin the robot vacuum repair process. After the repair is complete, we do unit testing on the robot to ensure there are no more problems. And wow! Look at how shiny this robot vacuum is. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The robot vacuum was back on track. With full performance. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Do you have the same problem? Let us be your solution.